Hey, my name is Ditech, and this is a teardown video of the NZXT H500i PC case. I just wanted to take this thing apart and show you how easy it is to take apart in case you're thinking about getting this case yourself to either build inside or modify. So here it is. So that's about as much as you can take this case apart without drilling into the actual rivets to take off, for example, the front panel and the top panel, which if you're planning on painting this case, you will want to take apart the panels to paint them individually to get the best finish. So this is how I did that. I just use a drill and a 1/8 inch drill bit, and to put it all back together, you just use 1/8 inch rivets and a rivet gun, and all that stuff is pretty cheap. If you don't know how to use a rivet gun, all you do is put your 1/8 inch rivet into a 1/8 inch hole, and then slide that little metal piece into the rivet gun and press down on the handle, and that compresses the rivet so that it stays in place and bites off the little metal piece. You'll need to do this in order to put the case back together because you drilled out the rivets before to take the case apart in the first place. So hopefully now you know a little bit more about what this case is all about, and you can make a more informed decision on whether or not you want to buy it. Check the description for a link to this case, as well as a link to the drill bit and a drill and the rivet gun and the rivets that I used in this video. I know I kind of switch back and forth between using the drill to unscrew the screws and using a regular screwdriver. You can actually just use a screwdriver. I just use the drill because it was a little bit faster, and I'm unscrewing them instead of screwing them in, so it's not likely that I would have hurt anything. You could do it kind of either way, just use a drill with a Phillips head bit or a Phillips head screwdriver. Both of them work just fine. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, or if you want to see me modify this case that I just took apart, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Some other stuff you'll find in the description is a link to all of my social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and Discord and that kind of thing. Consider supporting on Patreon, and I will see you in the next one.